beautiful GTO has a 389 under the hood with tri-power. It is a factory power steering, factory power brake, and a factory air conditioning car. Bright red paint with a black vinyl top. It's got the correct PMD rally wheels. It does have white wall tires on it. What a great looking car. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around and a startup video for you. It's already running, so let's walk around in a running video for you on a 1966 Pontiac GTO. This beautiful GTO has a 389 under the hood with tri-power. It is a factory power steering, factory power brake, and a factory air conditioning car. Bright red paint with a black vinyl top. It's got the correct PMD rally wheels. It does have white wall tires on it. What a great looking car. The black vinyl top is in very nice shape. The interior is gorgeous. What a beautiful car. The tach works, the gauges work, the lights work. The blower motor works. The wipers work. The horn, we got to fix the horn. Console car. It's a factory air car. It's got a retro radio in it. Dome light. Package tray, the sail panels, package tray, headliner, all very, very nice. The body and paint on this car is very nice as well. Tail lights, license plate light, turn signals. This car's probably been painted, I'm going to guess, I don't have the paperwork on it, but I'm going to guess this car's probably been painted for 15 or 20 years. It shows very, very nice. You see the body's very straight. The jambs are nice. Carpet, seats. Door seals, door panels. Nice steering wheel. Bright headlight indicator, turn signal indicator. Back seat's in great shape. Seat belts are there. This car, we've priced this car already, $49,900. I think that's a great price for this car. You don't see too many GTOs for $49,900. Look at that, the backup lights work. Got one little, see it's got one little imperfection right here in the paint. Little chip. Got a few little very fine scratches. Right here you can kind of see one. I haven't even run the buffer over this car, so it's just how nice it was when we got it. Doors open and shut nicely. It's got a couple small chips right here, and right here. We will touch those little chips up. Headlights work. Glass in the car is in very nice shape as well. Bottoms of the doors is nice. Open the trunk up for you quick. Open the hood up for you. See, $49.9 is a great price on this car. Most of these cars are bringing a lot more than that. There's the inside of the trunk. Spare tire and jack. All there. I hate these trunk mats. All they do is hold condensation. They look great, but jack instructions. Got a little chip in the paint right here in the jam right underneath that seal. Very, very nice quality car, especially for $49.9. I can't even hardly buy them for that. I bought this car out of a package, and I'm able to price it reasonable so somebody can afford it. Does it have a few little chips? Yeah, I pointed them out to you. It does have a couple. You can see in this piece right here, it's got a couple little chips on this edge. See that? Underneath the hood's very nice. Tri-power setup. Power steering, power brakes, factory air, as I mentioned. Be-cooled aluminum radiator. Got dual electric fans. Hood insulator. Battery hold down. Factory style exhaust manifolds. Just a very, very nice, clean car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call today. Again, 563-452-2450. See, the console light works in the back as well. This car won't be around long for $49.9, so give us a call today. I was going to put red lines on it, but, you know, the white wall tires, they look pretty decent on it as well. So I like the car. Very nice, very straight. The chrome bumpers, the headlight bezels, all in good shape. Wheel well trim, stainless down on the bottom, the stainless around the windows, all the glass, all in very good shape as well. Just a really nice car. I see I gotta fix this clip here. I got a clip that's coming loose here in the windshield molding, so to fix that. That's what we do here at Kinion Classics. I show you exactly what these cars are. That way you know what you're getting. There it is. 66 Pontiac GTO 389 Tri-Power. It is not a factory Tri-Power car. Somebody did add the Tri-Power on there, so just want to clarify that. But a steering, brakes, factory air car. Very hard to find. And a beautiful red car, black vinyl top. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks to all my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. Have a great afternoon, and I'll be back with you here in just a little while with another great quality collector car.